Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna create a game on Scratch, which is typically made with two cars. So for this game, before we start, make sure you have subscribed to my channel and like this video and share this video to your gaming expert or a guy who wants to create a game or something. So first of all, we're gonna delete the sprite one, which is the default sprite, and now when I deleted that sprite, it has automatic the palette this palette have automatically selected to the backdrops. So normally how do you take backdrops like this, right? But now we are not gonna do that. First we're gonna click on backdrops right here, and then we're gonna click on, so we need to rename this guy to start backdrop. Oh, sorry, start. And then we're gonna just click on enter, and just we need to adjust the color. So we need a green color. So just adjust into this color. You can adjust the color by selecting the saturation and all. Okay, I don't want that dark. I want the bit. I have already done that a long while ago, but I forgot how to do that right now. Okay, hope this works. Okay, then just click on this square right here. Then you can just drag from there to here, and even if this square crosses this thing, no problem. Just you need to zoom out. Okay, don't forget to zoom out. So now you have created background for this guy, and you can see right here how your backdrop is going. And then just now we need to select gray color. That's right here. Just click right here. Sorry. I and don't forget to click right here, otherwise it will like the, this green color will go, like that will change. So now we're gonna click on gray. We need gray. Gray means a bit light gray. Okay, this is enough. So now we're gonna just click on the square. Okay, that's already there, and now we're gonna create the road. Okay, so now we have created the road, and now you can change its size. Like, oh, sorry. Just click on this mouse icon so that you can select whichever thing you want, like that. Okay. So now I think this side is a bit small because you can see right here. So just okay. Now both of the sides are equal. What we're gonna do is right click on this. You can see a um, um, thing right here which shows our current backdrop. So this is the first backdrop. I haven't I haven't add any backdrops yet. So just right click on the start backdrop and click on duplicate. So now we got a duplicate of this backdrop. Just name it as Tui. Okay, Tui is enough. Now we're gonna click on the text option, and okay, and you can change there's only a few style of text. So as this my project is a game, I'm gonna click on pixel. Okay, now we can start right here. Oh, don't forget to change the color, otherwise you will just drop everything down. Okay, everything 0 0. Okay, 0. Now we're gonna just type the number 3. Okay, so you just zoom in so you can just control it a bit. Oh, why isn't it working? Huh? Okay, you just drag this like that. Okay, now I have increased the size. You can just drag it and drop wherever you want. Then you can see here, it have to be right in the middle. So, okay. Now we're gonna right click on the start again, duplicate it. Now it have came right here, so you just drag and drop it into the number 3. And again, you need to click on text and you need to click on 2. Okay. You need to name it as uh, 2. Okay. And now you just go to the, just increase the size and you can drag it and drop wherever you want. If you double tap, if you tap right here, you can just adjust its size. Okay. I think I'm gonna make him a bit more bigger. Okay. Now we're gonna right click again and duplicate. We're gonna type the number 1. Now 1 will be kinda hard. Okay, just okay, flip horizontal. That's it. And if you do some things like that, just click on the mouse icon and okay. Now we are gonna create a rule box. Like click on here, click on paint. Now a blank desktop, and now you need to type here rule box and write all the rules. Okay. So I'm gonna pause this video for a while. At that time, you just create. I will show you. So guys, I have created a rule box right here. So you need to select, like you need to type like this or something like this. You need to type like all of the rules and write, and you can write your own rules according to the coding and all. And don't forget to type this press R key to start the game. This is main, this is the must and this is the main, don't forget. Okay, now we're gonna go to code and going to event block and when q key. Okay. Oh, we forgot one more thing. So just right click on start again and just drag and drop to the last and just click and rename it on game over. Okay, now game over block is right here. Now we're gonna click on text again and pixel is already right here because I have already selected that. Just type game over. Oh sorry, I forgot to change the color. Game oh sorry. Game over. Okay, our game over thing is right here, so you just make that bigger. Just, oh, that's very big. Okay, I think I need to shrink him a bit. Okay, nice. Okay, now I'm gonna type press R key for the rule book. Sorry, for restart. To restart. Okay, press R key to restart. Okay. Okay, that's okay. Like you need to put a bit down. Okay, and click here again. Press Q key to open the rule box. Okay, now it's very big, so I need to shrink this a bit. Oh, now it's bigger. I think I need to zoom out and shrink it. Okay, zoom in. I'm gonna click on the mouse, select flip vertical. Okay. Okay, now I have set everything. Now we need to click on play. When Q, where's Q? Q key pressed. Okay, switch backdrop to not game over rollbox. What's start to? Wait a minute. Oh, that's I forgot to rename this as one. Okay, now going to code rollbox. Okay, go to here. When backdrop switches to not start rollbox. Click on variables. Before that, we need to make so many variables, which is score, and then speed, and then life. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna type life. Okay, so all of these variables are, you can see that right here. So what I'm gonna do is when backup switches to rule box, hide variable. So we're gonna duplicate this thing again. We got two of that block. We need three blocks like that. And hide variable score, hide variable speed, and hide variable life. Okay. When backdrop switches, oh sorry, it should be right here. Okay. And then we gotta press. Okay. Okay. When Q key is pressed, when Q key is pressed, where's Q? Not Q, sorry, R key is pressed. Okay. When R key is pressed, okay, we're gonna click on variables and okay, sorry. Okay, show variable. So we're gonna duplicate this and put it right here. We need like we did earlier, we need to take three of that. Show variable. I'm gonna click right here. Show variable score. Show variable speed and show variable life. Okay, and we're gonna move that, and we need to type something else. Okay, and go to look block and type switch backdrop to 3. Okay, 3. Wait 1 second. Right here, it's right here. Okay. We're gonna duplicate this again. Okay, now put it down. Wait 1 second and switch backdrop to 2. Okay, and then we're gonna duplicate this again. Put it back and put like switch backdrop to 1 and start. So now we have created like when R key is pressed, switch backdrop to 3. Wait 1 second. Switch backdrop to 2. Switch backdrop to 1 and start. So what, and we don't need this. Wait 1 second, just remove that. Okay, I'm gonna click on Q. Now the backdrop had switched to the rule box, and when I click R, 3, 2, 1, and the game starts. Okay, now we're gonna scroll down a bit and then put these guys right here. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom out a bit. Okay, that's enough. Zoom in a bit. Okay. Okay, now what we're gonna do is just click on this event block, and not that. Then backdrop switches to start, show variable of this put of this block, and then we're gonna do another thing, which is sorry, I'm gonna do another thing, that is uh, set speed. Okay, we're gonna click on variables again, and we need set life 3. We need one of the set life block, and we're gonna we're gonna take the set life. We're gonna duplicate it again. Oh, I accidentally deleted it. Yeah, just duplicate it again, and duplicate it again. And we don't need 4 sets, so I'm just removing 1, and just drag and drop this right here, and under this show variable all of this, and then we need to go to control and click on this forever, put it right here, and click on the variables again, and change speed. That we need 3 of them. So duplicate. Okay, we got. Okay, if you don't need to duplicate, just drag and drop, but I'm doing because it's pretty much easier. So we are putting this inside. Change speed into, need to change this into -5. Set. Okay, change speed by minus 0.2. Okay, change speed by minus 0.2. Okay. Now we're gonna click on this change life, and that. Oh my god! So see, it's okay. We're gonna just stop it here. Set score. Hey, stop it! Okay, I'm just gonna set speed. Change. Oh, sorry, we don't need this life block. Just remove this. We only need speed and score. Okay. Set speed. Okay. Set speed to by 0.2 and set no, change speed by 0.2 minus 0.2 and change score by minus 1. Okay, change score by minus 1. Okay. We're gonna put this wait 1 second block right under this. Now we can let me look. Okay, wait. Just click on Q, click on R. 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Okay, now it's fine. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna clean a bit. Okay. Now we need a music for our game. For that we need to click on this when backdrop switches to, oh no, not that. When backdrop switches to start, and no, sound block. Sound block. Place on pop. Okay, and now when you take this block, you can only see this pop. So for changing that, click on the sound and delete this pop and just click on this, choose a sound. Okay, so you have a lot of sounds right here. Just select a big like what loops. Oh, so many songs. Okay, we have so many songs here. So I'm gonna choose a song right now. Okay, okay. So I'm gonna click on Ode song because that Ode song is very big. Okay, Ode song. Now we're gonna click on code again. Now when we click on code, we can see Ode song. Okay, okay, play. Okay, whoa. Not we. I forgot to click on this forever block. We need to put this forever block, and inside the forever block we need to type place on Ode song until done. Okay, now our backdrop coding is finished. Yay! And now we need to add a sprite. Okay, for that just search a sprite, and we need buildings. Okay, buildings. Okay, this is what we want. And we can change this name into building 1. Okay, and then change its size into 40. Okay, 40, 100. Okay, now it's a little bitty small guy. Just put him right there. Okay, we have put him right there. And what we're gonna do is just click on this event block, and when backdrop switches to start, just put it right there. And now looks, no, motion. Okay, go to X, go to Y, that option, and just click on go to X minus 183. Okay, we're gonna type minus 183. Okay, fine. And then we're gonna type 33 into Y 180. Okay, 180. Okay, and then we're gonna click on forever block. Forever block. Okay, forever. Go to okay. Forever change Y. Okay, if you click on Y, you could say like change it. Okay, you can see change Y by 10. Okay, you do not change anything, just drag and drop it right here. And then what you need to do is just go to variables again, and you can see the speed right here. Just drag and drop it inside 10. Okay, and then we're gonna click on if block. We need if block. Okay, if yeah. if block. No, sorry. This should be outside if block. This change y by speed should be inside forever block, but not inside if block. If y position, okay. No, we're gonna click on operations and click on this this greater than 50. Okay. No, less than 50. Okay, so I just clicked on that for fun, and you need to click on this if less than 50, that block, into here, and go to motion blocks, and you can scroll down a bit. Okay, and click on this. You need to drag and drop this. Okay, sorry. You need to drag and drop this y position inside this greater than y position less than minus minus 135. Okay, minus 135. Enter. Okay, then go to x 18 minus 183. This thing again. Okay. Okay, you need to duplicate this thing and put it inside this. Okay, and don't forget to put this things. Oh, sorry. And don't forget to put these things back on. Otherwise, you will just make any mistake or bug to our code. Okay, put it inside. Put it right here. Okay. Okay. Then one more block is here. There. Next costume. Next costume. This block. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna just stop it. Okay, we need to reduce this. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay, we're gonna click on this. Select the into backdrop. Okay, into the backdrop we have selected like show variables. When backdrop switches start, show variable score, show variable speed, show variable light, and then set swipe all of them. We wrote like this, but that was wrong. It's my mistake. Sorry. We need to click on set um, life to uh, 3. Okay, and then set score. Okay, and remove that into speed. Set speed into um -5. Okay, -5, and set score. Okay, change that into score. Score into 0. Okay, set score 0. That's it. Okay, now we're gonna click on Q, click on R again. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now it's coming. Yeah. Finally, you can see it's dropping according to the speed, like that. I'm now happy. Then I'll just click on this building one. Click on stop. Okay, now we're gonna click, now we need to add the building sprite again, like seriously again, okay? And now we're gonna click on this thing, buildings, okay, and reduce its size to, oh sorry, not X, I mean size, to 40, okay, 40, and just put him in the, right here. Okay, now what we're gonna do is, that we need to rename it or into building 2. Okay, click on building 1 and just copy off this duplicate and put it inside right here. What? There's no code? Okay. Okay, so we're gonna add all of the things we did right here, like all of this. Oh, sorry, shoot. Okay, we're gonna just click on. Wait. So now I am in building 2 and in building 1 we have created, just delete this block, and we have created uh, okay, now we have created a block right here. Now we're gonna add the same coding into the building 2. I mean same, all of these things same. Okay, so you do that and I will tell what to do later. Okay guys, I have copied all of the blocks and I have put all of the blocks in the building one, the same all blocks. And there's one difference, that is, here in the building 1, we have created go to x minus 183. And here also go to x minus 183. But for building 2, the y is same. Like in the building 1, y is 180. Here also y 180. Here also y 180, both of them, but x is 179, okay? So don't forget to change that, okay? Now what we gonna do is our building code is done, okay? And I will show you how. Click on Q, okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, when you click on the backdrop, just I forgot to do one thing. When backdrop, so just rule block, hide variable core, hide variable speed, hide variable um, life, and one more thing we need to do is go to control and scroll to the bottom and put this stop all, and then when you click on Q again, sorry, and stop all block is right here. Okay, but when you go to building 1, just don't forget to add this. When backdrop switches to not start, you need to change it into rule box. Rule box, hide. Okay, hide out. Show and hide. Hide. And when backdrop switches to what? I am just deleting all of those. Wait a minute. Okay, so when background just start, just put this. Okay, and for the building too, also don't forget to add this event block when backdrop switches to rule box. Just click on okay when backdrop switches to rule box. Okay, we're gonna click on looks, hide, and show. Okay, show here. Okay, so here are the results. When I click on rule box, all the things just stop, and when I click on R, 3, 2, 1, the music plays and all of these are coming down like that. So guys, now we have completed the building block. Now what you want to do is just click on the sprite and click on upload. And I have uploaded 2 cars right here. You need to upload just them. And I'm gonna click on. Okay, open. Okay, got it. Okay, now we got 2 cars and I need to reduce the size. So first of all, we need to rename this to. Okay, we need to rename this to. Okay, this blue car is our main car. So we need to rename that into main car. Okay, you just download this on Chrome or any browser. Okay, I have just, and this is the opponent car. Opponent car, okay? Okay, now what we're gonna do is just we need to reduce the size. Okay, now we're gonna but okay before this thing we just so we have reduced the size into um, I put 50 but it accidentally came into 150 50. Okay, this is enough and this also we need to change it into not y is into 50. Okay, yeah, that's enough and now we are gonna put this both of them right here because we need to do something here. Okay, now what we're gonna do is click on this paint and we have created a sprite like we can see a blank here and click on this as white. We need white. That's our color. Okay, white. Click on the square icon and create a rectangle just like that. Okay, this is our line for the road and now we're gonna do the codes for this when backdrop switches to. Okay, before that we need to click when backdrop switches to rule box hide. Okay. Um, okay, hide. Okay, now, okay, we're gonna take this. Okay, when backdrop switches to start, show. Okay, when backdrop switches start, show, and go to X, Y, that option, go to X 0 and Y 180. 180. Then uh, we're gonna okay. Okay, make sure you click on 180 and not any wrong numbers, and then click on this control box. Okay, and repeat not 10. We need only 3 times. Repeat 3. Okay, fine. And then now show. Show. Okay, this accidentally came right here. No, this is not me. Okay, okay, we're gonna put here right there. Okay, I need this right in the middle. So you just put it right in the middle and just decide. See, you can see this. Okay, we're gonna click on Y 180. Okay, now it's right in the middle, so you just click on 34. Okay, not X0, X34. Okay, enter. Repeat 3 times. Show and create a clone of myself, and that is right here. Create a clone of myself and hide. We need this. Okay, we just take off this duplicate, just put it under this and wait 1 second. Wait 1 second. Okay, fine. Now when I start a clone, that is in the control box right here. When I start a clone, forever, click on this forever, forever, change Y by, okay, change Y by speed, okay, like we did right that time. Change Y by speed, like go to variables, take this speed, change Y by speed, and then if Y position, if Y position, okay, we need to get the if block. If go to right operations, and if less than 150, no, less than 50, that we need to click on um, uh, minus 180. Okay. Minus 180. Okay, what we need to click on this Y position and just drag and drop it right here. Y position greater than here. Then go to X, go to X. Okay, this thing, and we're gonna duplicate him. Okay, that same. Go to X34 and Y18. Okay, now this is the clone. Okay, and now we're gonna show the sample Q. Oh, sorry, I forgot something. And then when we click R, 3, 2, 1, and you can see what's happening. You can see those lines, drawing the line. Okay, now we're gonna stop this thing. Now we need to click on the opposite card. Okay, we need to take the okay. Then we're gonna just click on this. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna click on this opponent card, and we're gonna flip it vertical. Okay. Okay, just like that. And now we're gonna go to the code. Yeah. Now we need to click in that when backdrop switches to start, backdrop switches to rule box. Um, hide, hide, and when backdrop switches to start, show. And then under the show, go to X0, Y110. Okay, go to X0. Okay, just go to X0 and Y. Y minus go to X0 and Y minus okay, sorry, go to X60 and Y180. Go to X, not minus 180, just only 180. Okay, go to X go to X60 and Y minus no Y180, and then click on forever block wherever it is, forever block, and then change Y by speed. Change Y by speed. Okay, fine. And then if Y position, if block. If block, sorry. If Y position, Y position, Y position equals 135. Just go to this operation and equal to that thing equals minus 135. Then hide. Okay. Hide. Hmm. Okay, y position is equal to minus 135. Then hide. Okay, hide is right here. Okay. Wait 1 second and put it right here and go to operation. Pick random. Put it inside the 1 second. Pick random from 1 to 3 seconds. Okay, and then show. Okay, and then go to X. Go to X. We go to X. Okay, so we're gonna get the go to X block and put it right under the show. Go to X. Oh, sorry guys, I just put change X by speed. It just changed Y by speed. Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry for my mistake. Just go to change Y by. Click on speed. Okay, go to go to X pick random. Where is pick random? Pick random. One. Not one. It's pick random. Minus 60 to 66. Okay. Minus 60 to 66. Okay. To 66. Okay. So I'm just gonna test it. Okay. Oh, Y is 180. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. So and then so guys, you need to click on if Y position greater than minus not equal to greater than minus 135. Then hide wait pick like that. Okay, I just made a mistake. Okay, and then click on uh, looks change color. Okay, so you can see which color. Okay, wait. Wait a minute. So I want the red color. Okay. Okay, now it changed to yellow. Okay, affected by 25. Wait. Uh, okay, wait. Pick random 1 to 3 seconds. Okay, see, you can see when I press R, it's like 3, 2, 1, and then now a blue car came, and okay, now a purple car came, now a red car came, a yellow car came, now a green car came. Let me stop this. We're gonna click on R again. You can see a red car right here, then this orange car, then a green car, okay, so now no need of that wait 1 second block, and you can see like a red car coming, and then now this orange car came, now this green car came, like that. Okay, now it's very cool. Now it will change its color also. Okay, okay, it's enough, and we're gonna just click on this stop. Okay, so then we're gonna click on when I receive affected. When I receive, okay, when I receive a message one, so we need to create a message which is new message. Okay, and affected. Okay, affected. When I receive affected, hide. Okay, hide. Where's hide? Oh, hide is right here. Okay, hide. Okay, wait. And I need this to duplicate this. Pick random 1 to 3 seconds, and and show. Okay, and show. Where's show? Okay, now we're gonna click. Sorry. Okay, now we're gonna click on the main car. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna go to the costumes, and we're gonna select the main car. Okay, now we need to click on this icon. Just select it like this. Now okay, we're gonna tilt it into right. No, 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 no. Sorry. we need to duplicate, we need to rename this to main car key, and then we're gonna duplicate this, and then we're gonna select him. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. Select a Gaian. Okay, now we need to tilt him to the left, no, to the right, and name it as right. And we're gonna duplicate the main car again, put it under the right, and then we're gonna rename it to left, and click on this select option, select the whole car, tilt it into left. Okay, now the costumes are over. Okay guys, now we need to click on this events block, and when backdrop switches to, we're gonna duplicate that. Backdrop switches to Roblox. We're gonna click hide and show. Show here. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, hide. Okay, go to X0 and Y 120, not minus, just 120. Okay. Okay, now go to friend layer, that is right, go to block and just click on uh it's not right here, we need to scroll down a bit. Okay, right here in the look block we need to take this, go to friend layer under this, and then um, forever block, forever um, switch backdrop to normal car, switch, not switch backdrop, switch costume to main car, see, and if we need to pick if block, if sensing uh, key right arrow pressed, then switch backdrop, switch backdrop, no, switch costume to right, and then no, change X by, where's change X? Change X by 7. Okay, that's it. Now we're gonna duplicate from okay, just remove this if, duplicate it, Okay, we need to put it back. Oh, okay, we need to put it back inside the forever block. And for the second one, if left arrow key is pressed, change x by, okay, arrow key is pressed, change x by minus minus 7. Okay, so you can create your own number. I'm creating like my, okay, and for this we need to click on right arrow. Okay, when right arrow key, okay, no, when left arrow key is pressed, uh, change x by minus 7, change costume to left, and just remove it again. We're gonna duplicate it again, put it under the if block, then put it inside the forever block, and change it like change if key uh, key if key up pressed, file key pressed, change, just remove this. We need to take the change x, we need to remove this change x and take change y, change y by y by uh change y by 7. That's it. Okay, now switch costume to main car. Okay, now uh, we need to duplicate this again, put it under this block, put it inside. Okay, like this again. Instead of up arrow key, we need to press the down arrow. Okay, we don't need this switch costume, just remove that. Okay, change y by minus 7. Okay, now our controls are ready. Okay, just go on this thing and our key controls are ready. Now, um, okay, so you need to take this thing inside the forever block. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take if block again. Okay, under the forever if um if, okay, we go to the operations and put this or this that block and put it inside here. If and go to sensing, touching. Okay, if touching non-mouse pointer, opponent car, or touching color, this color. Okay, we can adjust the color. Like we already have chose a color. So note that backdrop is this green color. This green color of this backdrop, and then just tell that. Okay, I choose the color 32, so I'm just gonna drag it into 32. Okay, we can, when we click on here, when we click here, you can see here, like, we can select, like, this color. Okay, now the color has set. Okay, then, if, touching color this, or touching opponent card, and then, put this broadcast affected. Okay. Okay, now, what we're gonna do is just zoom out a bit. Okay, now zoom. Okay, then, here we're gonna click, when I receive affected. Okay, when I receive affected. Okay, so, we have created a code like go to x minus. Okay, so just click on minus. Okay, it's go to y minus 120. Okay, not 120. Okay, so we're just testing it like this. When R key is pressed, like 3, 2, 1, and yeah, okay, let me put this iron up its name. Okay, so, okay, this is down arrow. Okay, okay, like, okay, now we can start. 3, 2, 1, and okay, it's done right now. Okay, now, broadcast affected, and, then what we're gonna do is, go to X, that block. We need to get get that block. Again, remove all of these blocks. Okay. Okay, go to, okay, and then, change life by, go to variables, change life by -1. It's like -1. Okay, enter, and then hide. Where is hide? Hide, and wait, not 1 second. It's 0.1 second. Okay, enter, and then click on show. Okay, show, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna duplicate it. Just put it right here. No, 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 we're not gonna duplicate that right now. Duplicate this. Duplicate this, put it under the show, remove the show. Okay, and oh, no, 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 it went right there. Okay, now we're gonna duplicate it, put it like that. Now we're gonna duplicate it. Okay, not like that. duplicate it and put it under a guy. Okay, now duplicate it. Oh my god. I cannot see that. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna zoom out a bit and then put this right under here. Okay. Okay. Hide. Okay. Now we're gonna. Okay, that's enough. Okay, now what we're gonna do is, uh, when I was, okay, that's it. And then the last thing what we're gonna do is just go to the sprite, click on paint, okay, and we can create another sprite. Click on circle, and we can name this sprite as lights. Light, okay. Okay, and now this first costume we're gonna write like three three life. Okay, done. And now we're gonna click on this uh red. Red. Okay, and then we're gonna create. Okay, we need an outline. It's like we need black outline. Okay, done. And then just create a small circle, and it had to be perfect circle. Okay, and then we're gonna copy it by clicking Control plus C and Control plus V. Okay, now we got another. Now we're gonna put it right with this guy and this. Then we're gonna press Control plus V guy. Okay, now we got this guy gone. Now we're gonna put it right here. Okay, and then we're gonna duplicate this, but some changes are there. Just click on this. Um, Select this, and then uh, now select this, the last one, and change color to white. Okay, like that. Okay, not white. We just need to select into black. Okay, and then we're gonna duplicate it again and select this thing and select into black. Okay, and now duplicate this again, select this, change it into black. Okay, now we have all our hearts ready and we need to rename this to life. and this is one life, and this is this should be 0 life. Okay, now we have created our life. I'm just going to code, but we need to do something, which is reduce its size to 50. Okay, that's enough, and put it right here. Okay, now this is the last thing. When when uh, when backup switches to start, I need 2 of them. When backup switches to rule box, okay, show. Okay, we need 2 blocks like show and hide again. Show, we need to put it right here. Hide right here. I think I need to zoom in a bit. Okay, drag it and put it here. Okay, and then go to X, go to X, go to X. Okay, we can do the same as it's written here. 188. Okay. Okay, if you want to drag it and drop it, okay, I can put it here. Go to X. 209, and Y is equal to 86. Enter, and then um, switch costume to 3 lives. Switch costume. Okay, switch costume to real life. Switch costume to switch costume to live 3 live, and oh no, not here. Sorry, right here, and click on if block. We need if block. Sorry. If you go to sensing and no operations and is equal to block. Okay, put it right here and click on variables. Click on, put life here. Life is equal to 2, not 3, 2. Then switch costume to 2 life. Switch costume. Switch costume to 2 life. Into 2 life. Okay, and then we're gonna duplicate this again right here. But here we're gonna click on it. Okay, and then if life is equal to 1, then switch costume to life 1, and then we need to duplicate this again, put it here. Life is equal to 0, then go to 0. Okay, then uh, and then we're gonna click on switch backdrop, switch backdrop, switch backdrop to game over. Okay, and when backdrop switches to game over, stop, stop all, and then stop all. Where's stop all? Controls. Okay, now our game is completed. Okay, okay, so just click on this icon. Now this is full. Okay, if you click on Q, you could see, oh sorry, I forget to do one more thing, that is um okay, when backdrop switches. Okay, okay, and when I press Q, okay, okay, this is the rule box, and when I press Q, it's star. Press R, 3, 2, 1. It's all. Wait. Okay, okay, guys. Now we're gonna click on put the forever block under the switch costume to green life and put all of these things here, and then click to building 1. Okay, then uh, go to controls. No, go to sphere, and when backdrop switches to uh, you need to do that for all sprites. Game over. Stop. Okay, now let me check if there is any problem. Okay, let's click on Q, R, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Okay, now it's fine. Oops. And now let me click R, 3, 2, 1. Click on Q, then R. Let me try. Oh! Oops. Okay, when I directly press R, it comes like this. So what you want to do is press Q and then press R. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy, like, share and subscribe. So for today, so this is only for today, and if you need more contents like this, please subscribe. So bye.